Mantura Genius is a very powerful infrastructure software where you can find several modules: CAD for drawings, topography modules to make topography projects, DTM, platform projects, urban drainage, utilities, land drainage, takeoff quantities, linear projects, intersection, 3D view. For each module, you will find specific tools that permit you to create infrastructure projects. For example, here we are in a linear project, and in this module you can create axis, horizontal alignments, vertical alignments, cross sections. In these modules you are in urban drainage. We'll find specific tools for storm water model to design, to create networks, and to have takeoff for these networks. Mantura software use standalone CAD engine, but of course we can read and write drawing files from AutoCAD. You find in Mantura the whole things you need to draw projects. As many software, you can draw points, segments, polylines, text, hatch, etc. You can modify this object with a very large range of tools. Of course, in Mantura you use layers, and for each layers you can change colors, line type, thickness, etc. Mantura can read every release of drawing files from AutoCAD. Of course, you can manage layers as you want and freeze, for example, some layers if you need. You can find in Mantura specific tools dedicated for infrastructure drawings. You can use customized command and then draw several things. Here I'm drawing a upslope. This is a polyline, and when you put the right click you can use several options. You can use two dynamics tools. For example, here I'm drawing a slope symbol. If I move the down or up symbol, Mantura will draw automatically the slope symbol. You can put directly on the screen some information as point label. Here you can see coordinates directly on every point you need. Of course, it's very easy to use these panels and to put information directly on your drawing. Here I'm putting some trees all around my green space. In Mantura you can manage picture or image come from Google Earth and other things. If you have coordinates for this picture, you can use this coordinate and Mantura find automatically the reference for the picture. Here I'm in the software Google Earth. You can use georeference picture, and then the image is directly in the coordinates on your system.